Hello everyone. In today's class, I'll be solving another problem regarding royalty accounts. So here it is given that Mahesh wrote a book on accountancy and got it published by Universal Publishers on the terms that royalty will be paid at rupees 5 per copy sold, subject to minimum rent of rupees 7,500 per annum, with the right to recoup the short workings over the first 3 years only. First 3 years only they can recover the short workings. Copies printed and copies in closing stock has been given here. So 1000 copies printed, 50 closing stock, 1500 copies printed, 100 closing stock. In the year 2012, 2000 copies printed and 200 copies in closing stock. 2013, 2500 copies printed, 250 copies in closing stock. Prepare royalty account, short workings account, Mahesh account in the books of Universal Publishers. So we have to calculate the number of copies sold because royalty is based on number of copies sold. Okay, royalty will be paid at 5 per copy sold. So we have to calculate the number of copies sold. So number of copies sold is equal to copies printed minus closing stock plus opening stock. So in the year 2010, copies printed 1000, closing stock 50, opening stock nil. So copies sold 950. In the year 2011, copies printed 1500, closing stock 100. So minus 100 plus opening stock 50 is equal to copies number of copies copies sold 1450. 2000 copies printed minus closing stock 200 plus 100 opening stock, copies sold 1900. 2500 copies printed minus closing stock 250 plus 200 opening stock is equal to 2450. Okay, so copies sold 950 in the year 2010, 2011 1450, 2012 1900, 2013 2450. Royalty rupees 5 per copy sold. So into 5, 950 into 5, 4750. 1450 into 5, 7250. 1900 into 5, 9500. 2450 into 5, 12250. Minimum rent 7500 per annum. Okay, so write down 7500. So every year minimum rent is 7500. Short working 7500 minus 4750, 2750. Okay, short working recoup nil, return of nil, cash paid 7500. Short working here 7500 minus 7250, 250 short working. Short working recoup nil, return of nil 7500 cash paid. Okay. So right to recoup the short working over the first 3 years only. First 3 years means within 2012 he must recover the short working. Okay. So in the year 2012 there is excess amount available, that is 2000 available. So short working recoup 2000. So 2750 plus 250. Out of 3000 short working, 2000 short working recouped. Total short working recouped. So short working return of is how much? 1000. Okay, 3000 minus 2000, 1000 short working return of. Cash paid 7500, that is 9500 minus 2000 cash work short working recouped, total cash paid 7500. Next, royalty 12250, minimum rent 7500 is there, so whichever is more we have to take here. So 12250 is more, so 12250. Okay. Now let us prepare royalty account. For royalty due, royalty account debtor to lessors account. So on the debit side of royalty account, to Mahesh account, 4,750. 4,750 royalty. Okay. For transfer of royalty to profit and loss account. So here royalty is based on sales. So we have to transfer the royalty to profit and loss account. By profit and loss account 4,750, total 4,750 to Mahesh account for royalty due entry to Mahesh account 7,250, 7,250 royalty by profit and loss account 7,250, total 7,250. Again same entry to Mahesh account 9,500 royalty in the year 2012 by profit and loss account 9,500, total 9,500. To Mahesh account 12,250 royalty in the year 2013. For transfer of royalty by profit and loss account 12,250, total 12,250. Next, short workings account. So for royalty due, the entry is royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessers account. So on the debit side of short workings account, write down to Mahesh account. There is short working during 2010, 2,750, total 2,750, by balance carried down 2,750, to balance brought down 2,750. Okay. Next year, short working 250 is there. So, to Mahesh account 250, total 3,000, by balance carried down 3,000. To balance brought down 3,000. Okay. 2012, there is recoupment of short working. So, for recoupment of short working, the entry is lessers account debtor to short workings account. So, credit side of short working account by Mahesh account 2,000 short working recouped and short working return of 1,000. For short working return of, the entry is profit and loss account debtor to short workings account. So, credit side of short workings account by profit and loss account 1,000, total 3,000. Next, we have to prepare Mahesh account, lessers account in the books of lessee. So, for royalty due, royalty account debtor to royalty account debtor, short workings account debtor to lessers account. So, Enagathil entry by royalty account 4,750, by short workings account 2,750, cash paid 7,500. So, to bank account 7,500, total 7,500. Okay. Again same entry by royalty account, by short working account 7,250 royalty, short working 250, cash paid 7,500. To bank account 7,500. So total 7,500. Next, in the year 2012, no short working. So no short working is not there. So by royalty account 9,500. But there is short working recoupment of short working. So lessers account debtor to short workings account, Mahesh account debtor to short workings account 2,000. So now total 9,500. Next year 2013 by royalty account. Okay, no short working, no short working recoupment, no short working return off. So by royalty account 12,250. Cash paid to lesser 12,250. To bank account 12,250. Total 12,250.